Yesterday, Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth faced questioning over a second strike of a suspected drug boat, which killed the survivors of the first one. Western Wisconsin Congressman Derek Van Orden is defending the second strike.
As long as there's part of that vessel, it was a viable, lawfully targeted enemy combatant vessel. That is a terrorist. Those folks have been designated as terrorists by the State Department, and they're viable targets.
The Senate plans to meet with the admiral in charge amid bipartisan concern the second strike was a war crime.